This is with mic auxiliary 2 and 3 disabled. Audio check for further YouTube vids. I want to get into some YouTube vids with because of the blocks I'm under on Facebook and Twitter because of scum, complaining scum, and yeah, I'll get I'll screen record it when I continue to the to see what else they've removed. Remove something you posted. It looks like these posts don't follow our community standards. What are the community standards going to hold up in public next year? Oh, time will tell. Right, let's see what this audio without 2 and 3 auxiliary is like.